Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. This is the intraday for Bitcoin. We'll see what happened and what it might happen next on the 1 hour 15-minute chart as well. And as you mentioned in the daily, we saw a pump today toward the upside, which was a little bit surprising as well. But I didn't trust it, of course, as we mentioned that we have to watch the 67K 174 because it is our invalidation here for anything bearish, since we have double 1-2 wave 3 has opened very aggressively toward the downside. And this pump, of course, which it was like kind of like, it looks like an impulse, but I doubt it. It's an ABC as mentioned as well, and it might be, of course, right now unfolding in the wave F5, F4, and F5 toward the downside. And this, of course, will lead us for lower prices. It's going to end up a 1-2 there, and then 3, 4, and a 5 continuation simply towards the downside. Basically, we still in also this possibility of an A, B, and a C. The wave C might still be unfolding in double 1-2, wave 3, 4, and a 5, of course, are required, and then another 4, 5. Why? Because invalidation of the scenario was not taken, and it is not taken for a reason, guys. So, because if the scenario is not playing or would not be played, therefore why we didn't have a stronger wave 4 there after a finished impulse towards the downside 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, having a little bit stronger wave 4 since our invalidation is very far, because this is what happens normally when you have a very far invalidation. Well, you get a wave 4 which is a little bit higher than this, not just a triangle, especially, by the way, that your wave 2 here is very shallow. So as alternation, this doesn't work. It doesn't work at all as alternation. You have a shallow wave 2, you have a sideways wave 4 also. So I would say it doesn't work as so much as a guideline here for the alternation. It works much better within, of course, this wave 2 there, which is also shallow. But don't forget that based on this wave 4, it has retraced, of course, higher than expected, of course, for this wave 2. That means, of course, it is a deeper wave 4 and alternation, of course. So despite that it is, of course, a triangle, we see, of course, a wave 5 might still be unfolding, of course, for double 4-5. Now, what does it mean? Why I'm fighting as well for the 4-5 here also? Because I'm still yet not convinced we're gonna break the 52K. And with the double 4-5, we might get here, of course, simply finished wave C, which is still preserving the ABC here in a wave Y. And that will keep us, of course, in a potential W, an X, and a Y complex structure. And that means, of course, we might push for higher later on in a 3 ways, a regular flat. The regular flat is going to be, of course, a 3 ways, which is going to bring us a little bit higher again, 0.7 Fibonacci or 0.9 Fibonacci level, which it can reach even 100K again. So 3 waves up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, shallow wave 2. Timing perfect. We push for higher, hitting the 0.38 here, minimum requirement in confluence with this technical area, and then we push for higher. Very bullish. So, and because it is a wave 3 over 3, that's why I'm not yet convinced that we're gonna break the 52K, unless only with a wave C, of course. So basically, I'm still looking forward for this scenario in 3 waves, 5 waves, and then bullish. If not, if we break the 52, we take the low there. Okay, we're dropping, of course, in a deep correction, which is ABC. It's gonna take a little bit more time here, of course, as a zigzag. Yep, so everything is still fine, guys. I would say for the 15-minute chart, currently we are looking, of course, for this double 1-2 wave 3, 4, and a 5 still unfolding there. So it's time to put some label there. I'm gonna put 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5. Sorry, this wave 3 is not finished yet. It is finishing up right now with this wave 5, because internally, of course, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your wave 3, then 4, and a 5. Yeah, so these are the possibilities for Bitcoin. Well, wave B, of course, is a little bit far possibility. Honestly, I don't see this. I see simply, of course, a wave 4 here to be done and finished. and this is the wave 5 that I'm looking for after it, to finish also here a wave 3, and then 4, sorry, then 4 and a 5. There you go. With it, we're gonna finish, of course, wave 5. Probably in case we get this wave 5 in the yellow, because the yellow, of course, is a big impulse. It's a different scenario. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, as I mentioned. This will finish a wave 3, so we gotta be careful. It can be, of course, here a double 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, wave 3, and then 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay, so yeah, I doubt that it might happen, but we'll see step by step, guys. Currently, we're looking for higher prices. Targets are still, of course, open. I would say for the 56K, yeah, by taking the low. So 56K is the next target, I would say here. You can see it also from the 0.3038, so it can be hit already. And I believe the 52K might be taken in the wave C later on. We'll see. However, we'll see, of course. It depends on the structure. Are we going to get double for 5? Or are we going to get only one wave 5? So we're going to follow this, of course, step by step. And we'll see, of course, what's going to happen. 4-5 or double 4-5. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.